My name is Dr. Kevin Carson. I'm a fibroid treatment specialist with the Georgia Vascular Institute. Uterine fibroids are benign tumors of the uterus. They're very common among many women in the American population.
My name is Tanika Gray Valbrun, and I am the founder of the White Dress Project. So Dr. Carson came to one of our events that was held at the 12 Hotel downtown, and he spoke on one of our panels, and he just really empowered women to share their stories and really to get second opinions. And that's what I really valued about him, that he said, you don't have to just come to me. You know, you can see other doctors who will be willing to give you a second opinion, and you make the best choice, you know, based on your family and based on your health condition, you make the best choice for yourself. So I really respected that, because not a lot of doctors will say that, and not a lot of doctors will offer that advice.
Although all women suffer from the symptoms of uterine fibroids, women of color especially suffer from many of the more severe symptoms such as the bleeding and pain of the pelvis. As many as 70% of women suffer from uterine fibroid, and that extends up to 80% within women of color, predominantly African American and Latin women.
Unlike a lot of women, I realized that I had uterine fibroids very early, probably around the age of 14 or 15. And lucky for me, I was very familiar with fibroids because my mother had them, so she shared her experiences with me. I saw her go through losing 2 sets of twins because of fibroids, so I was very familiar. So when I started to experience the symptoms around 14 or 15, I knew what was happening, but I still kind of delayed the process all through college and really just dealt with it and realized how much my quality of life was being sacrificed. So fibroids can really affect you on a day-to-day basis, because as a woman, I think we're taught that we're supposed to keep it classy and sophisticated, and we're not, you know, really supposed to talk about health issues, much less, you know, talk about your period, especially if guys are around, like, don't even do it. So the daily dealing with fibroids is really a feeling of, you know, trying to mask the shame really that you feel like this disease causes you, because, you know, you can have so many accidents that can be visible to other people. So it's really important that you know what's going on and be your own health advocate. And that's really one of our strongest missions with the White Dress Project, is to empower women. You can learn about the White Dress Project on all social media platforms. On Instagram, we can wear white. On Twitter, we can _wear white. And on Facebook, the White Dress Project, we can wear white.